first workshop of its kind, in person or virtually, where we're actually looking at the technical part of digitization.
There's 4 key pillars that we as a company consider as our primary business functions. The first one is digitization hardware, which you can see all around you. You will have access to all the equipment. The next arm is our focus on digital preservation. We also focus on business process outsourcing, as well as intelligent document processing.
I think one of the critical important things about digitization and historical cultural preservation is to make sure that you partner with the right organizations. That networking is such a massive tool that we use to improve our own working environment.